Hello guys, today I'm playing Minecraft and we're going to be building a mob farm that's going to look like a mushroom eventually, and possibly a sheep farm. So let's go. So the mob grinder is done. All the insides, all the water, all the everything. Run! Yeah. And now time for a sheep farm. Sheep farm. Sheep farm. Sheep. I'm gonna put it there. Mobs. So we gotta be quick at this. Parentheses. Sheep. I want sheep, not cows, okay? Sheepy. Get away! Oh, they're chasing me. They're chasing me. That llama's still there. To your paradise, that will be your certain doom. Don't come back here. Come over here. No. Wheat. You love wheat, right? Yes. Come with me. Come on, sheep. You like water. You like shallow water. Yeah. No, you didn't get scared. No one's scared. No one's scared. Except for me. Oh, you just got scared. Okay, so we got them in here. With no way out. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time if you watch next time. My sheepy. Bye bye.